Hello guys, welcome back to the next video where we are solving the ISC Specimen Question Paper 2022, the Semester 2 paper. If you have missed out the previous videos, do check out the entire playlist from the description box below. And if you want to get notified every time a new video is shared, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. This is in continuation of the previous video where we had solved question 3, and in this video we are going to solve question 4. Okay, and this sum is on debentures and specifically on calculation of interest. Okay, just a small portion where you are required to calculate interest on calls in arrears. Okay, the adjustment entry, the receipt entry, and the closing entry. Okay, straightforward sum, but be very careful. The workings are very important. Just understand that. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the workings first. So there is a person, Ali, who's holding 20 debentures. He paid the allotment money and the two calls on 31st March 21. He did not pay the allotment money when it was due. Like as you can see from the question, he paid the allotment money and the two calls on 31st March 2021 instead of these respective due dates, right? Now, since he has passed the due dates, he is supposed to pay interest to the company as he did not pay on time. Okay, and as per the Articles of Association, the company is supposed to receive or company is going to charge interest at the rate 10% per annum. Okay, timelines are important as you can see in the workings. On allotment, Ali was supposed to pay 600 rupees and he instead of 1st May he paid on 31st March. So 11 months of interest will be charged on that at the rate 10% per annum. Okay, so that gives us 55 rupees. The first call money he was supposed to pay again 600 rupees on 1st October, but he paid on 1st March. So 6 months overdue. So interest for 6 months at the rate 10% on 600, which is 30 rupees. And the final call money, which he was supposed to pay on 1st Jan, he paid on 31st March. So 600, this is 400 because 20 rupees are there on final call. On 400, interest at the rate 10% for 3 months is 10 rupees. So total of 95 rupees. Okay. Now let's have a look at the journals. Debenture holders account debit to interest on calls in arrears 95. Now remember again, interest on calls in arrear, it's an income to the company, okay? And income is always credited. As per the golden rules, income को हम credit side में लिखते हैं as a nominal account. That is why debenture holders account debit to interest on calls in arrear. This is the interest made due on 20 shares. Then in the next journal, interest के पैसे कंपनी को मिल रहे हैं 31st मार्च को. So बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिवेंचर होल्डर्स ये पैसे दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो डिवेंचर होल्डर्स अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड हियर. और लास्ट एंट्री जो यहाँ पे बोला गया है क्वेश्चन में, द क्लोजिंग एंट्री चाहिए. सो क्लोजिंग एंट्री इज ट्रांसफरिंग दिस टू द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॉल्स इन अरियर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. अगेन रिमेंबर, ये इनकम है इसलिए स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में ये क्रेडिट हुआ है. ओके, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा जाएगा because this is an income. So these are the three journals that you need to pass to secure 2 marks. Let's move on to the part 2 of this question. Number 4. This is a sum on retirement, and this is again a small extract of capital adjustments. Okay, you must have done this as a part of bigger sum, but here they have only focused on capital adjustment. So three partners are there: Naresh, Dhruv, and Azim. Old PSR is given. Naresh is retiring. Dhruv and Azim, they have a new PSR of 2:3. Okay, their existing capitals are given. There is an immediate payment to Naresh in cash, which is 90,500. They agree to bring in cash to like Dhruv and Razim to make their capital in proportionate to the new PSR and also maintain a cash balance of 5,000 from the existing balance of 20,000. Okay. You're required to pass journals for payment made to the retiring partner and cash brought in by the remaining partners to pay off the retiring partner. So again, let's first go to the workings to understand the calculations. First thing that we need to calculate is the total capital of the new firm. So total capital कितनी है 33,000 जो कि ध्रुव की कैपिटल है एग्जिस्टिंग कैपिटल 70,500 अजीम की एग्जिस्टिंग कैपिटल है 90,500 उनको नरेश को देना है तो ये पैसे भी उनको लेकर आने हैं तो ये कैपिटल में ऐड हो जाएगा ओके नाउ कैश में 20,000 अवेलेबल है उसमें से 5,000 रखने हैं एज कैश बैलेंस सो 15,000 कैश बैलेंस अवेलेबल है तो वो यहाँ से माइनस हो जाएगा इसलिए -20,000 प्लस 5,000 सो वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 15,000 जिससे टोटल कैपिटल उन दोनों की एंड ऑफ द रिटायरमेंट होनी चाहिए 1,79,000 ओके सो टोटल कैपिटल अगर इतनी है तो ध्रुव्स न्यू कैपिटल होगी एज पर द न्यू शेयर 2:3 है सो 2/5 3/5 इन दोनों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया जाएगा सो ध्रुव्स न्यू कैपिटल इज कमिंग टू 71,600 और अजीम की न्यू कैपिटल है 1,07,400 ओके सो अब कितने पैसे उनको लेकर आने हैं सिंपल सा कैलकुलेशन जितना कैपिटल उनका ऑलरेडी है और जितना उनको नया कैपिटल रखना है इन दोनों का डिफरेंस सो एज वी कैन सी जो रखना है कैपिटल वो ज़्यादा है उनका एग्जिस्टिंग कैपिटल दोनों का ही अभी कम है सो दोनों को ही पैसे लेकर आने हैं Just subtract here 71,600 minus 33,000 for Dhruv so 38,600 वो लेकर आएगा और अजीम को लाने हैं 36,900 जर्नल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है पहले तो नरेश को पेमेंट कर दिया गया है जो पैसे अग्री हुए थे 90,500 as mentioned here so Naresh's capital account debit to cash 90,500 ओके अब जो पैसे उनको लेकर आने हैं कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू ध्रुव्स कैपिटल अकाउंट टू अजीम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट उनके रेस्पेक्टिव अमाउंट्स और ये उनका टोटल ऑलराइट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है अगर कॉन्सेप्ट पता है नहीं तो दिस स्मॉल थिंग कैन बिकम डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी है रिवीजन ज़रूरी है सो दैट everything is fresh in your mind and you can do it in the exam without wasting much time on thinking. Hope this was helpful. Do share with your friends so that they get benefited as well. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Stay tuned for more videos in the same series and any further questions. If you have any further videos you want me to make, you can let me know. Thanks for watching.